Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting a complete backup now. First, make sure your phone has at least half charge and stable Wi-Fi because large transfers fail on low power. Sign into the Google account you'll use. Open Settings right arrow System right arrow Backup and toggle on Backup to Google Drive so app data, contacts, and basic settings copy to cloud. If you want a full local image, plug the phone to your PC and enable USB debugging. Once done, you'll run the next commands for a deeper copy. Now you'll capture the middle, heavier pieces. Start Google Photos Backup for high-quality or original photos. Open Photos right arrow Settings right arrow Backup and sync and choose desired quality. Next, backup SMS and call logs with a reputable app if you need them. Install, follow export steps, and save to Drive or local storage. For a bit-for-bit system copy, use a DB backup or boot a custom recovery like TWRP to restore. Sign into the same Google account during device setup so Google Backup lists your backups and offers automatic restoration. Choose the desired backup and let apps download over Wi-Fi. If you used a local DB or TWRP image, connect to your PC or boot recovery and flash the image. Follow prompts precisely to avoid mismatches. Finally, verify contacts, photos, and app data. If something fails, check Wi-Fi and account sync first, then retry the ADB or TWRP restore steps. Those usually fix stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.